What is up, guys, and welcome back. So in this video I'm gonna be making some changes right here. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna come here and I want to change the color of it because it is just matching everything and it is not looking a bit cool. Okay, so I want to change the color of it, not the full but a little bit. So I'm gonna come here, I want to go to the style, I want to come here to color, and I want to increase the color, the in depth of this. So I want to increase it a bit, increase it, and this looks cool. Okay, if I just hit this, you can see how this is looking. So I have this one, I go down, and I have this what I can do. Okay, so what I can do, once if someone brings his mouse over it, then its color should be changed. Okay, so I'm gonna come here to hover, and I want to come here to color, and once if someone brings his mouse, then its color should be this one. So its color should match this one. Okay, so its color should be a little bit changed. Okay, and now let's come here to save, and let's save, and let's just come here, and you can see how this is looking. So we have what I can do. So if I bring my mouse, you can see this is changing. Or if you don't want it to be changed, then you can also keep that. And if you want the color to be totally changed, then you can also make it to be black. So you can see that if I bring my mouse right here, this is changing to be black. You can go with the gray, a bit of gray. Okay, so you can change it anywhere you want, anyhow you want, but I don't think so if I need anything on hover. So I just need this to be keep as normal. So I have what I can do section right here, and then what I want, I need some of my education if I want to add, but I don't think so if I want to add any of the education. So I'll just add a call to action button to hire me. Okay, and that is going to be so amazing. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna come here, I want to go to this guy right here, and I want a new section. So a new section, let's just say it, let's just come here, and I want basically a background image. So a background image should be cool. So let's go to unsplash.com to get a background image. Okay, and here I want the computer once again. So this one, let's come here, let's download, and here it is downloaded. I'm gonna drag it and drop it on this side. So I want it to be into 1024 by 720p. So let's just bring it right here, and let's increase the size of it. So here we go. I want this to be here. Save it and save it. So it should be saved as the JPEG file. Untitled copy 1, replace. Okay, let's go ahead, let's hit OK. Let's come here and let's go to this guy right here. And what I want here is that I need a background image. So the background image is going to be this. Let's come here to style. Let's come here to background. And I want to go to the classic. Let's come here to image. And let's come here to upload files. Let's select the file. And we need the file. So this is the file I want to copy. And this is being uploaded. And let's hit insert media. Okay, here you go. This is coming right here. I want the position to be, sorry, the attachment should be fixed, and the size should be cover. So this is looking cool. What I want right now is that I want to go to the layout right here. The height should be a minimum height. Okay, and it should be this much height, or just let's choose the 400 one. Let's go to style right here. Let's go to the background overlay, and I want this overlay to be full black. So let's come here. Let's just choose this to be full black. Okay, and this should be black as well. let's just hit this. You can see we have this, what I can do, and then we have hire me. So this is going to be a hire me section where a person can just click this button, and it's going to take them to the new page, or it's going to pop up a form section where he can just enter his contact information. He have to enter that, and then once he enters that contact information will be emailed to me, and I can contact that person that you entered something to my website, and now, so what are you up to, and something like that. Okay, so I'll be doing that in the next video, so stay tuned guys, and bye bye.